Here's a 2017 Cadillac XTS. Artfully crafted inside and out, this XTS immerses you in the experience of luxury. It comes with great features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, ultrasonic park assist, and V6 engine. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces." Cadillac, second to none. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.